Okay, boys and girls, we're about to do arithmetic. And we're about to start doing the first question here. Can somebody tell me what that number sentence is? Isa.
2 something add 2 equals 13.
Good girl. Right, now how would you work that out? Lots of different ways you could work it out, but how would you work it out? Evie?
Counting on.
Counting on. So which number would you go from to find out what that part is? Yes, Esha?
Count up 2. From 2 count up to 13.
So you'd count from 2 up to 13. Let's try it. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Stop. So we've got 10 and one more. What was that answer there?
11.
Now we know the answer. We know the answer there is 11. 110, 1 unit. Is there another way I can work this out? Let's just undo that. Is there another way I can work it out? Yes, love? Yes, Anaya? Which other way could we work it out?
Use a bar model.
Use a bar model. Well done. So I first of all need to work out what's my whole and what's my part. Who can tell me what the whole in this calculation is and what the parts are? Nitai?
13.
13's the whole and the other bits are the parts, aren't they? So I'm going to choose just a small bar model. So now that I know what the whole is, which number goes at the top? Which number goes at the top? Arad?
13.
Thank you, love. And which number is the part? Yes, Frankie?
2.
2. What do I do now to work out what that missing part is? What do I do now? Libby? I count on. So, come on everybody. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Stop. And now let's clever count just to double check our answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So as Michael said, the missing number was 11. 11 add 2 made 13. Number 2, who can read that number sentence for me? Izan, could you please?
13 less equals something.
You could say less. That sign could mean less, couldn't it? What else could it mean? That sign 13. Yes, Arad?
Destruction.
Subtraction. Good try. Good try. What else? Subtract. Is there another word for that sign?
Plus.
No. Plus is the other sign. It's not an add, is it? Number 2. It's a take away. Okay. Now, what I can do is I can use the 13 frogs up on our wall and I could count back to 13, 12, 11. I could do it. Is there another way I could work it out? What other way could I work it out? Abu Bakr? How else could I work it out? Bar model. Okay then. So, which one's the whole this time and which one's the part? On this takeaway, which one's the whole and which one's the part? Charlie? 13's the whole. Thank you, love. And which one's the part? 2. Oh, so hold on a minute. Look at this. So if the whole is 13 and the part is 2, what have you noticed? What have you noticed here?
It's the same.
It's the same, isn't it? Because working out a missing number with an add is the same as take away. So here we go again from 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. The answer is 11. Oh my goodness, that's like a number family, isn't it? 11 add 2 is 13. 13 take away 2 is 11. So, 1 less than 14. How can I work this one out? 1 less than 14. What could I use? Eyes, I love.
Like you go backwards.
You could go backwards.
Like count backwards.
You could go backwards. Yes, you could. So, but you could also use sweeties. So I could go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and what? How many less is it? How many less is it? Arad. Thank you, Arad, for joining in.
30.
No, how many less? You're telling me the answer, sweetheart. How many less is it?
1.
1 less. So if I cross that 1 less, you're quite right, Arad. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. My goodness, children. 13 seems to be the number today, doesn't it? Right, Michael. This number here says 4 and something, 8 and something, 12 and something, and 60. What have you noticed about that sequence?
It's counted by 2s, but it's just going up.
It's going up, isn't it? And it's counting in 2s. So who can tell me what the missing number is here? 4? Going up in 2s? What would it be? 6. 4, 6, 8. Going up in 2s? 10. Thank you. 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Going up in 2s? Not quite. From 12, going up in 2s, Naweed?
14.
14. Thank you. And then the final question, boys and girls. My goodness, we've used a bar model, whole part, sweeties to work out 1 less than, and worked out our sequences. Can anybody tell me what this split digraph word says? Name. Name the... Oh my goodness, there's another one. There's another split digraph. What does that say? Name the... Lydia?
Shape.
Name the shape. Oh, that's easy. It's a hexagon.
No, it's not.
What is it then?
A rectangle.
A rectangle. So you'd write very carefully, because it's a very hard spelling. Rect. Ang. There's that and quite often is the most common ending, is it? Rectangle. Well done. You've done awfully well. Who got number 1 right? Oh, well then you give it a tick if you have. Who got number 2 right? Who got number 3 right? Oh, not so many of those. Who got number 4 right? Ooh, good show. And who got number 5 right? Who knew that was a rectangle? I thought I heard somebody say square. A square would have to have all the sides the same. Well done.